Right, on this one, we're going to do steps 6 and 7 together. Actually, this is one step, but I've divided them into two just to make sure. So this one, you have to finish with this one, which is a yellow plus. Okay, so that means you have finished this. The bottom one should be white, and then you have finished this two rows too. So only the top row needs to be done. So now the next step is to do a yellow plus. So step 7, but you cannot go to step 7 to in one go. Sometime if you're in luck, you can go there. But most probably you have to go through step 6. So this is a very good example. So all three we have started at the same time. You can have a look from step 1 to 5 to get hold of how I've done this 3. So now if you have a look, you will see each and every cube they're coming up with different problems. Okay, this one has only one yellow, this one is already done, so that means you have already finished step 7. So for this one I don't really have to do anything. Okay, so this is by luck, pure by luck, this is already done, so that's gone. But this one has only 3 yellow like this. So what I have to do, we're going to start with this one first, so you will get to see how this works. So what did you hold it like this? If you see only one, it can be 1, it can be 2, it can be like 3, it doesn't matter. So this one you only have these 2. What you're looking for normally, we're looking for a 9 shape. So normally we're looking for 3 actually, 1, 2, 3 yellow, but in this case we don't have any, or like 1, 2, 3 like this. So this is the worst case scenario for this one. Doesn't really matter what you do, you hold it like this, so the yellow will be at the top. You hold it like this, you do one step. Okay, so you're doing one step down, and then you're doing 2 right algorithm, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and then you just put it back. Okay, now you see you have got 3 yellow. Always make sure you hold it like this when you go to the next step. Okay, so for that to do, so now we are at the same step. Okay, so now if you have found this step, so if you have found a Rubik cube which is not like this, any other cases you have to hold the cube like this. You do one step down, and then 2 right algorithm, and then you put it back. You will be with minimum this row. Okay, and so this one, if you have found like this, so that means you don't have to do the 2 right algorithm anymore. This one, what do you have to do? You're trying to looking for a number 9, which is not here. The next step is, which is like I'm looking for a line. Do not hold like this. It's gonna mess up things. Make sure you're holding like this. So this is like like this. And then what you do one step down, or actually sidewise, and then now you need to do 1 right algorithm, 1 2 3 4, and then you put it up, turn it back on. Then you'll see you've got a yellow plus here. Okay, so this one exactly the same, like this. Then 1 right algorithm, 1 2 3 4, and then you turn it back on. Okay, so now you have got 1 yellow plus. Okay, right, what I've done, I wasn't happy with a few of the things, so I just wanted to make sure that you get more practice on this. So what I've done, I've changed, so exactly the same thing I've done. I just did something, I went back to step 5. But anyway, I'm not going to teach how did I go back. The thing is, now let's say we have found something which wasn't that easier. So now we have got something which is already 9 here, or something similar to that. So you already know how to do if you have seen one. So now this is the scenario. We're gonna do more practice so that you can get hold of it. Okay, so initially you're looking for, so if you see like this, you're looking for a number 9 here. Okay, it's not here. Look, number 9 not here, number 9 not here. Look, now number 9 is here. It's easier for you if you can find one. If not, doesn't really matter, because you should know how to do with a 1 yellow. If you go back and watch it, now that will make a bit more sense. So what you have to do, we need to make sure if you found something like that, we need to have 3 yellow here. That's the first thing to do. Then we have to do a cross. If you already found yellow, that means we need to do the cross. Not the cross, I mean yellow plus. If you have found already yellow plus, that means you don't really have to do anything, which I've already shown you before. So now let's say I'm holding like this, again going sideways, and then 2 right algorithm, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and turn it back on. This one, okay, I've got a plus here already, which is by luck, but normally you can have a line here. If you do a line, you turn it, you go back one step down, you do one algorithm for that case. This one, 9 is here, so right, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, down. Okay, this is plus 2. This one like this. So now let's have a look. If this is number 9, we're not going to follow the rule now. We're going to do like a reverse 9, or we're going to do this one. So totally out of the blue. Let's see what happens. So 1 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, turn it back on. Okay, so now you see, as you haven't followed the rule, everything is fine, but this one you have gone backwards. Instead of going white plus, you have finished up with one yellow. So that's why it's very important for you to look for a number 9. If not, doesn't matter. So now I've got only one yellow. Nothing really matches here, so I cannot do number 9. So what I do doesn't matter. You can choose any side you want. One step down, then 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 2 right algorithm, go back down. Perfect. So now I've got 3 middle. That's what I wanted to show you. So what can you do in various cases? So now I've got these 3 yellow. So now as I've found these 3 yellow, which is step 6, now I have to do only one right algorithm to go to step 7. So go back down one step, okay, and then one right algorithm, 1 2 3 4, then put it back on. Perfect. Okay, so now you have got white plus. So now you should have seen how does this work on various aspects of it. So you have seen how to start with one yellow to plus, even 3 4 9, reverse 9, you know. So if you didn't follow the rule, what's going to happen? Okay, try now. This is quite easy, I guess. Keep trying until you're confident, then we'll move to the next one.